Hello, welcome back to a new video. This is Faisal from Tecsee GmbH, your internet agency based in Germany. And today we're going to continue our mini series of tutorials with a small introduction to the customer tab and customer section of the ERP system on JTL Wawi 1.6. So, as a quick note, we have decided now to start with the customer just because of how sensitive it is for some people. For the customer section, you can literally do order management section as well from there. Now we're going to show you the small functions of it. It's not going to take, the video is going to be really short, straight to the point and easy, really easy. Let's begin. So basically we have already created as a test a customer. So when you create a customer, this is what's going to show up. So basically you have your customer ID here, your company, last name, first name of your Ansprechpartner, which is your partner where you talk to, so the service partner. So basically your contact is right here. His phone number or the phone number of the company, the fax number, the email, the postal code, if he has a username or not. If it's like a B2B or an e-commerce company, if you work for an e-commerce company, this is really important. Postal code, city, country, and customer category, important, not important, is it a customer, is it a business, so on and so forth. You can search customers here. So for example, if you put the ID or the name, you'll find it, and here it is. Everything you need is right here. You can also search the invoice number or the order number related to that customer, which is great. So for example, if you have a order that relates to this company, you can search it right here and it will show up, which is very practical. Basically, how do you create one? So we press here on Kunde anlegen. After pressing here, you have the details over here. So basically you have the number you want to associate the customer with, you have the company, you have the name, everything that has to be related over there. It's just data entry over here, everything that relates to it. The even the tax number, you can always do it. And then you have the internal data for you. So what is the group, customer group, what does it relate to, what is the category, what do they speak, so on and so forth. How do they pay, what's their IBAN number. Here is the customer history, so which orders did they make, so on and so forth. Here you can find addresses. For instance, here in this window you can find you can enter your the IBAN, which is the account number, and the name of the bank that associates with the customer. Here you have the addresses. Here you have the partner which you speak to. For example, in our previous case it was Barry Miller, and here you have the online shop. And that's basically it. It's really easy, straight to the point. You can always contact us, Tecsee, at our website. You can find us in the description down below, or send us an email at contact@tecsee.de. You can just send us an email and we'll help you out, of course. This is very easy and simple ERP system maintain. And like and subscribe, check out the description down below, and we will soon catch you later.